Royal blue. Woo! Yeah! Red. Khaki. Navy blue. Ow! Lime green. Purple. Olive green.
Yes.
Yes.
I think we see. Yes.
Yes.
So teams, do you guys
And
want
the
to know
pink
who the
team,
judge?
we haven't cheered them on yet. Pink team,
My
big
favorite
cheer
color.
for them.
Can we all agree on one thing? No matter who wins, they all look fantastic in their tracksuits.
Love this.
I mean, okay, you've worn the tracksuits all day. What do you think? You keeping the tracksuit?
Yes.
All right, perfect.
I mean, I think you guys are already winning because you have the tracksuits on. I mean, that right there is a win of itself. I didn't get a tracksuit, okay? I got a mic, but I didn't get a tracksuit.
You match with us though.
I do match with you guys.
You know.
But the rumor is that I'm making up that whatever team wins, we get that team tracksuit color.
I think that's
Sent
correct.
to us.
Yeah.
Okay? Same day, shipping, Amazon. Make it
I
happen.
see Matt, the director of events here, and I'm pretty sure he's nodding, so it's fine. Yeah, totally fine. But do we want to bring out the judges?
I think I see them on the side, so I think they're ready
do?
to come up. Yeah.
I'm going to welcome up to the
Okay.
stage Swami Siva Subramanian, if he is ready to come up. Ow! And we are also going to be joined by Jeff Barr. And Jeff Barr, everyone, yes. So I think you have your work cut out for you. We have 10 very excited teams, but also very talented teams. Gogo, you were with the teams all day. Do you have any insights for our judges before they get bombarded here?
The insights that I have is one of the biggest things they said, they were so surprised at what the prompt was, but they were so excited because you're talking about having some of the top developers in the world that are now about to spend all of their energy on something that no one's ever going to use. And that was just hilarious to them. And so I think you're gonna find, I know about some of the things they've been creating, and I think it's gonna be really cool stuff. Yeah.
First of all, did you guys have fun? That's awesome. Great to see you all.
All right, well, am I on? Yes, all right. We want to welcome you to the finish line of the Road to Reinvent Hackathon. It's awesome to be here, and we've gotten just a little bit of a hint of all the coolness that you have been working on all day, and I'm looking forward to hearing a lot more in just a few minutes.
All right. I had to admit, when I heard the idea that all of you are going to be getting on a bus and just start coding, when I travel with my kids, I travel with Dramamine because of motion sickness, but you all seem to be braving everything and doing amazing things, let alone build apps that probably defy logic in many, many ways to fight your natural instincts. Super excited to actually see what you all are doing. Looking forward to the session. I'll let Jeff jump in to kick off some of the rules.
Yeah, so this is all about the innovation and the creativity, and I love that because when we started doing AWS literally 2 decades ago, it was all about creativity, and we talked about developers in dorm rooms having great ideas and building really cool stuff, and I guess we never thought about mobile buses when we started thinking about AWS, but why not? And you know, the energy that you've put in, and the funny thing is I was reading a little bit about what you've been dreaming up, and I would have thought it would have been like weeks or months to do some of these things, and you somehow did it in the space of 6 hours. And so I think we're going to kind of have our minds blown when we see what's actually happening here.
This is the power of Kira, right? So they were building with Kira, my favorite agentic IDE, as well as at least one AWS service. But a show from the teams, how many of you used more than one service?
Oh!
Yeah.
15.
All right,
I think
15.
we're gonna have a pretty tough time judging.
I know. This should be fun. I'm actually excited.
So we should remind everybody what the criteria were. Let me whip out my. Do you have that printed? Oh, yes. Okay. All right. So we are looking for maximum impracticality, pointless problem solving, and entertainment excellence. And 40 points, 35 points, and 25 points on each of those. I think those are pretty much self-defined. What do you think?
It should be. Although I have to admit, did you all find it very, very amusing when you think of magnificent impracticality? And what about pointless problem solving? That feels like engineers normally get it.
It was pretty funny to see their faces this morning when they were told what they were doing, actually, so.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
But most importantly, you all need to remember, you had to bring it in the 60 seconds you have to showcase what you are presenting. We are looking forward to hearing from you. What is your idea and what's innovative about it across these different...
But more than idea, we're going to hear about implementations.
Yeah.
It's easy to have ideas.
Spoken like a true developer. Yes, it's not just about the idea, but how did you make it real with everything what you have built, even if it is for fun. So, but looking forward to seeing what worked and how did you make it more interesting instead of straightforward in many ways. So, looking forward to it. And by the way, is the price, everything announced already?
Yeah, but I can reveal that these are the jackets that they get. Will you turn around so they can see the back?
Nice.
And so all of you in the audience, when you see someone this week wearing a jacket, they're either a vice president or a hackathon winner, the only two categories. So
That's awesome.
Amazing. All right, so are we ready for the first presentation?
I mean, are we ready for the first presentation?
First one? Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So they've each got 60 seconds.
They do get 60 seconds, after which AM, I have personally invited to tackle them off stage. So
I'm incredibly physically intimidating, so please do not go over 60 seconds. I do not want to remove you from the stage, but I will.
Okay. And isn't there like there's a big sound when it's time up, right?
yeah.
Yes.
Okay, there's I haven't heard the sound.
I heard it at 75% volume during rehearsals last night, and it was very loud. So.
Oh, wow. So it's an earth-shattering sound.
Yep.
So 6 hours boiled down into 60 seconds. I'm excited for these presentations.
I'm excited. Do we want to get ready? I think it's the yellow team up first. We're going to have the yellow team come up to the stage, and we're going to have the judges go over here. And I'm going to...
Okay.
Good luck, you guys. I'm proud of all of you.
All right. Yes. Oh, they've got... You keep it over here so you can... Yeah.
Show of hands out there when you've been traveling and you didn't know where to go, but you really needed to go. We've solved that problem today in 5 hours with a twist. You can log on to Lucky Lou. You can take a screenshot of your image of how desperate you are. That doesn't work, so you take a recording with Grok, doing a bit of voice to text. We're doing that straight from the front end because it was just straight through it. Now we're submitting this to a court of judges on EC2, agent swarms working out whether you're capable or not. They come back with their deliberations. They show you whether you can go or not. And they'll roast you. They'll tell you why, but you can try again. You can try again. That's cool. You can try again. Your bathroom awaits, but does it? Oh my God, look how far that away it is. That's okay, because you can go to premium, you can upgrade, you can enter your credit card details, and you can get closer, maybe. We have monetized human dignity.
Bring up another round of applause for Team Yellow, or just leave it up on the...
Huh?
Oh, okay. And now, we need... Oh, Michael, I need your microphone, buddy. No? Okay. Who's ready to hear from Team Black, I believe, is coming up onto the stage. Mike, can you get this mic? I need this mic. Are we ready? We're going to be plugged in. I don't know.
Always bet all black.
Okay, yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, wait, we can't start until we, I gotta wait here for it to start, otherwise the clock will count down. But you've had a big day together. What's been something you learned today that you weren't expecting to?
The fun part about being on the bus, on the move hacking is something I did for the very first time.
All right.
So yeah, pumped up about it.
And now you're about to present for the very first time. Are we ready? Ready?
Yep.
Okay, this is your countdown clock. One last time for the Black team. Let's get going.
Woo! So we all are at reInvent. We booked our flights to come in here. How about we try to book it up with reinventfly.me, where you get to go through 4-level authentication, going from a complex password, jumbled up keyboard, and also going through a CAPTCHA, all that, to choose your origin to Vegas, which takes you all across the place and still not get you to Vegas. And you have to figure out your own way to come into Vegas and reInvent. So here's what we built. And if you guessed it, we are running this on EKS pods, ECS, Lambda functions, and a whole bunch of things which costs about $1,000 a month. So that's what we have, where you're getting it. You can see Jordan right now getting the confirmation done for his ID that takes it and publishes on the move for everyone.
One last cheer for Team Black. Yeah, perfect. Up next, we're gonna be getting set up with Team Royal Blue, who notably were troublemakers on the stream. So I'm very excited to see how this goes down.
Did you call us troublemakers?
Both on the stream and then now, yes.
Oh, no, we aim to please. We are royal, in fact. So we gotta keep it classy, you know?
I believe in us. What was the favorite snack that someone brought for you to have on the bus today?
I think some of the best snacks were the energy drinks. They helped keep our energy up and focus, so that way we could stay locked in as much as we could. It was pretty important.
I think so. I believe it. Are we ready to present? Soon.
Yeah!
Now we're ready. One last final cheer for Team Royal Blue.
Hi, gang. Thanks for having us. We are Team Royal Blue. We understand that builders are more diverse now than ever have been before, and we figured that instead of only thinking about how people interact with infrastructure, we would build RuneStack, so you can bring ancient magic to modern infrastructure. And we built a spot where you can wave your magic wand, draw the particular glyph or rune, and have the AI systems backing all of it to deploy your production infrastructure. This works. We built a very large architecture. We added way too many components, Event Bridge for things that it doesn't need to do, and just brought it all together to be happy. We used 2 kinds of AI, recognition and Bedrock, because you gotta have AI in 2025. And we even added a nice good reflection for your deployment status. Try it today, it's useless.
Thank you.
It was incredible.
Go ahead. Thank you.
You didn't get a high five yet. You did a high five. It was great. Amazing. It's so good.
Right, so now we have Team Red and Team Red's project. So Chris, what was your favorite part about today?
It's over.
All right, so this is called what? Disagree and commit?
It's called disagree and commit.
One of the leadership principles. I like to play on it. So I'm gonna take a step off the stage and then we're gonna get started.
All right. Who better to architect impractical solutions than a mixture of